Welcome! In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps on how to change the emoji on your Discord soundboard using the new update on PC. If you've been customizing your server and want to give your sound effects a fresh look, this guide will show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. First, open up the Discord app on your computer and head over to the server where you want to make changes. Once you're in the server, look toward the very top of the channel list on the left side. Click on the server name to open the drop-down menu. From there, select Server Settings. Inside the Server Settings, you'll see a variety of options. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Soundboard. This is where all the custom sounds and their linked emojis are stored. Click on Soundboard to open it up. Now, locate the sound you want to edit. To the right of that sound, there will be an edit icon. Click on it. This will open the editing menu for your chosen sound. Here is where you can adjust settings, rename sounds, and most importantly, change the emoji attached to them. Next, click on the section labeled Related Emoji. This option lets you swap out the current emoji with a different one. Choose the emoji that best fits the sound effect you're editing. You can pick something funny, expressive, or even thematic to match the vibe of your server. Once you've picked your new emoji, don't forget to tap Save. This step is crucial to make sure your changes are applied. After saving, head back into your server and test the soundboard to confirm that your new emoji is showing up correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change the emoji on your Discord soundboard with the latest update. It only takes a minute, but it can make your server feel much more personalized and fun. If you keep experimenting with different emojis, you'll have a soundboard that feels completely unique to your community.